Hey there. Ready to settle your Amex bill and keep your account in good standing? Paying your American Express bill is straightforward, and you have several convenient options. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to pay. The easiest method is through your online account or the Amex app. Go to the Payments section, enter your bank account details if it's your first time, choose an amount, minimum, statement balance, or other, and schedule the payment date. You can also pay by phone through their automated system or with a live agent. My crucial pro tip? Set a calendar reminder for your due date, even if you use autopay. This gives you a final check to ensure sufficient funds are in your bank account, helping you avoid return payment fees and potential dings to your credit score. That's how you maintain perfect payment history with confidence. Do you pay your balance in full each month, or do you have a different strategy? Let me know in the comments. If clear financial guides help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.